fourth section of our Green River Thru paddle occurred in May of 2024, where we would paddle approximately 22 miles from Lynn Camp Creek boat ramp outside Canmer to the Stovall Park boat ramp in downtown Munfordville. This was the most dramatic year on the river yet. We would pass striking features such as the 300 Springs Waterfall, as well as see water levels rise multiple feet overnight, flooding our campsite while we were sleeping and causing us to evacuate to higher ground.
You don't think you all can just straight shot it?
Probably. Yeah, it's just the tip of a tree right there. That's
oh,
all
okay.
It is.
Type 2 fun.
Yeah. didn't die. What's up, Bubba? It's pretty cool. He must have been riding around with us all day.
More like a rock situation.
Yeah, it's a little tough. Thank goodness for freestanding tents. Wallet's dry, that's nice.
Yeah, I mean, maybe see how it's. I mean, it's moving. It's like.
Are we still gonna kayak it? You think it's still safe?
Land ho! Woo!
We live. Love it. Welcome to the river trip with Samuel Jengus. Check it out. I hope you can smell that.
Simply hanging out. Meanwhile, Nick's in there.
Nick's been thinking about that bathroom for the last...
Exercising his colon.